If you're homesteading for preparedness, grid down resilience, or food security, you've probably heard this advice once or twice before. Chickens and rabbits, okay? Rabbits are the most efficient meat source. Okay, here's the truth most prepping videos won't tell you though. Efficiency doesn't equal survivability. And when you look at long-term food security, chickens beat rabbits in ways that actually matter when things go wrong. Today, I'm breaking down why chickens make more sense than rabbits for preppers, especially if your goal is sustainability, protein security, uncertain times, and the real-world resilience, and not just theoretical numbers on paper. Rabbits do give you meat, right? Eventually. Chickens give you food every single day. A laying hen produces eggs daily or near daily for many years. And folks, I do want to actually start by saying we have both chickens and rabbits, although we are probably going to be leaning more to mostly just chickens as time passes. Laying hen is going to give you that high quality protein, your fats, your vitamins, your minerals, a renewable food source without slaughter. With rabbits, there's no food until the harvest. You got to cull to eat them, right? And the breeding cycle has to be absolutely perfect. So in a prepper scenario, daily calories matter more than occasional harvest, right? Eggs keep you fed while you decide when or if to process said animals. That flexibility alone, in my opinion, makes chickens way more valuable. Also, their feed. In a collapse, chickens dominate this situation. Chickens they free range on insects. They'll survive. If you don't have anything, they'll find a way to survive. They'll eat the weeds. They'll eat scraps. They'll eat garden wastes. Anything you throw out, pretty much. They'll consume fermented grains. There's videos on that as well. They can live partially, purely off of the pasture. Rabbits require consistent forage. They need a specific fiber ratio. They also struggle without fresh greens and stored hay. If supply chains break, chickens adapt and overcome. Rabbits will starve very quickly. Preppers don't plan for perfect conditions. They plan for imperfect ones. Also, chickens are not just food animals. When you're in that kind of situation, or in any situation at all, it doesn't matter specifically, they got pest control. They're going to turn your compost for you. They're going to build your soil. They're also alarm systems. Tick and roach reducers. Rabbits do one thing: convert feed into meat. Literally, that's it. Chickens integrate into gardens well, orchards, pastures, food forests. In a survival homestead, every animal must earn its keep. Let me tell you about chickens real quick. They do that daily, okay? Breeding and flock resilience, I'll say that rabbits are fragile, heat sensitive, they're stress prone, high mortality if the conditions even slip a little bit. Chickens, broody hens hatch their own replacements. I don't know if you guys have seen that before, but boy, I've seen it here a lot. Self-maintained flock cycles. Constantly we see new hens and ducklings out of the woodworks, and we'll see ducklings that were hatched by chickens and chicks hatched by ducks. So it goes both ways. You're not seeing that with rabbits, guys. A single broody hen can reboot your entire protein supply. That's that's an understatement. Like, that is just biological redundancy. Something every prepper, if you're taking homestead seriously, should understand. Yeah, rabbits are quiet, sure, from a security perspective, right? And visibility. Chickens aren't the liability people think they are. Hens can actually be managed quietly. They can blend into rural environments. They can look normal instead of intentional protein production. That's your play on how you have them, okay? Chickens don't scream meat source the way that rabbit hutches do. Visibility matters in unstable times. I will say this part here about emotional and psychological factors does get ignored. Chickens provide routine, normalcy, and you get your nice daily wins, a little dopamine fix when you're collecting eggs. Rabbits, unfortunately, don't do that kind of thing, force constant harvest decisions. They can increase stress on you during your shortage situations, and morale is survival currency during trying times. Chickens support it. Now, honesty matters. Rabbits can work if you have controlled feed access, you're experienced, you want fast meat turnover, but for most preppers, chickens are easier, they're more forgiving, they're more versatile, they're more sustainable. If your goal is long-term food security, grid down resilience, sustainable protein, low input survival systems overall, chickens make more sense than rabbits. If you're building a prepper-minded homestead and you want realistic experience-based guidance, subscribe to this channel, guys. We cover food security, animals, sustainable systems and practices, especially going into 2026 here. Mistakes most people don't talk about. And if you could, drop a comment below. Are you guys team chicken, team rabbit, or both?